Hello everyone, this is my second tutorial about basic of 3ds Max. In this tutorial I will show how to create basic objects. There is two ways. First one is through the create menu, and the second one is through the command panel. Here we have a different menus. First is the create menu. Here we can create different objects. It's the geometry objects. We have shapes. Shapes are basically lines. We have light, cameras, helpers, and so on. On the geometry we have also another different type of geometry. We can see them here, this pull down menu. I talked today about how to create the standard primitives object. Here we see the type of the standard primitive objects. That's the most common objects in 3ds Max. You almost always start with them or with shapes. Let's create first time one box. When we want to create a box, we click on the box, we go on the viewport, click one time there and create the basic of the box. After that, let the left or right mouse button and create the height. So when we want to create a sphere, we click on sphere, we go on viewport, click one time and drop the radius of the sphere. So in 3ds Max, the way how you create objects is very specific for every object. When we create the box, we always will create first the base and after that the height. When we create a sphere, we will click in the middle point of the sphere and create the radius, and through the radius we have the sphere. When we want to create a cylinder, we make the basic radius of the cylinder and make the height of the cylinder. That's the basic thinking of creating object in 3ds Max. There is more than these objects. I will delete them now. So, but you have to experiment a little bit with data. They are more special, but this three is the most useful and common objects in 3ds Max. You have a tripod that's using mostly, actually not for modeling, that's using for test for material, for rendering and so on. Next to these three basic objects, it's very important to know first time how to use the line object. That's one line, you create points and you have edges between the points. When you finish, you can close the line when you click with the last point of the first one and you close the spline. I delete it. And we have also another line basic objects like circle or rectangle. When you create a circle, you click in the middle, create the radius, and when you create a rectangle, you click on one point, make the height, like that. You have to click a little bit around that to test everything. Here we have also the object text, and you can write something. So that's also very helpful for many things. So that is for me the basic of the object. These three: box, sphere, cylinder. One more time, creating a box, creating a sphere and creating a cylinder, and from the shape creating a line, creating a circle, and creating a rectangle. So practice that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. Wish you a nice day. Bye.